As Managing Director of Portland Lighting, I wanted to lead by example and ensure that our business is sustainable and future thinking. So I started looking into solar panels to power our site with clean and renewable energy to reduce our carbon footprint. The financial benefits, of course, an additional bonus to allow us to save money on our high energy bills. I think it's really important that businesses look how sustainable they are. There are issues of global warming that we all need to consider our manufacturing processes, sustainability of products, materials, local suppliers, and I think we all need to come together and fight towards a greener world. We selected an eco-energy here at Portland because we knew they had such a great reputation within the industry. In total, we'll benefit from savings of around £225,000, and our solar generates 48% of our energy, which will save us over 500 tonnes of carbon. If your business is looking to reduce carbon emissions, looking at solar, I would definitely recommend you getting in touch with an eco-energy.